think it's the adrenaline rush. Honestly, there's no feeling better than when you actually get your tires to hook and it's just you're on the brink of out of control and it's just screaming as fast as it can, and it's just there's something about taming something that shouldn't be done that you get that rush off of.
2 to 5 and 6 reaction time rate.
Oh, it's fun. Just doing a burnout, going up there staging and doing that big ass wheelie all the way down the track. It's just fun. There's nothing like
Mustang,
it.
here in the Window World lane.
It's bad.
Nova.
It's
Over in the Zoomer
there's nothing
Darby
like
lane.
it. When you go out there and
We
take
got
the
our
stripe,
driver
that
out
wind light
there.
comes on. It's like there's
Fabulous online.
nothing to compare.